reward system and how this one works. This is the freezer machine. This is one of the only freezer machines in central Queensland. We do all your different ice creams, ice blocks. We even have frozen meals in here. This is located at Rockhampton Basketball Stadium again. So this month on this machine, it's buy any 9 ice creams, you get the 10th one for free. So we'll go through here and we'll pick a raspberry isopole. On my card, I've already got my card lined up with the machine. I go pay, standing away from the machine. Product is now being brought. We shake our bottle while we're waiting. There we go, 20 cents in it for shaking the bottle. The ice cream's dispatched. I'll then come up on my page and show you